Right, I've just turned up to Josh's house and they got the excavator at the back, and looks like there is a McSquillion rocks down there. This does not look good. Let's go for a squeeze. Yo mate, what up? Welcome to another lawn tip vid. Just a bit of an update vid. So we're at Josh's house and you can see we've been pulling out a ridiculous amount of rocks. Well, I haven't been doing anything, but they've been pulling out some rocks. Absolutely, look at this big sucker. It's not going to come out. So they're going to build a little retaining wall. And what do you say? Step down? Yep. Retaining wall and step it down there, because yeah, not going to be able to get that big rock out. Which is a pain. Which will be a pain for grass as well, because the roots won't shoot down past that, but yeah. Oh my gosh.
Yep, that's a big boy. Is it just because it's so deep down you can't get it, or because it's massive?
It's like I'm
It's
trying
heaps.
to move it, it's not even budging.
Heaps deeper than that, and then there's another rock right next to
There's
it.
one next to it.
Oh, really? Oh, you can see a few
There's-
more
there's
rocks
no
in
way
there.
of getting them out.
No.
Like, there's no point even trying. I'll be
And
here.
that excavator's not big enough too to pull that bad boy out. I can't believe you got those other ones out. Look at that.
Yeah, I'm trying to get that big.
Flip.
Hey.
Right, well I'm not going to get much footage here. I'll just get a couple of time lapses so you guys can see all the stuff they're pulling out. And they're putting that retaining wall in there as well, just to get past that rock. But yeah, this video is just going to be a bit of time lapses showing you guys how they're pulling all these rocks and stuff out. It's just to add to the series and, you know, add to the playlist.
John, I reckon you'll be able to get it. Lift it a bit. Yeah. Got a little crack of these rocks, but haven't got real far. Don't know what I'm doing though. Just hoping these will be a bit under the soil. Whew. So this is my yard currently. Whew. And yeah, rocks. Crying. So we've got heaps of tree roots around from that tree. Hopefully they'll be easy to come out with the. I'm going to use a bunker rake from work. And this is the front yard. Just didn't hoe it all up. That's right. And we ran into a problem yesterday. I hit electricity.
So what happened with the electrical, bro?
I hit it.
Yeah, so
There's
Josh,
a big rock just here. Surfacing, I was like, oh yeah, I can dig that out. Not thinking about close to the electrical, just here. So I tried to dig out from this side and hit, a little explosion happened. And then the power went off and a few houses set for mine in the street. And then they had to rejoin it to the house here because they were without power for like the whole night. And I was fine.
oh, dang.
Then they had to put this little pit in. It's a bit of a pain.
Yeah, so the electrical's right on top of a rock, or right next to a rock, eh? Rock's there,
Here.
or rock's there. And he tried to get out with an excavator.
From it.
Yes! Yeah, it's a pain in the bum. It did cost him quite a lot of money, which is a pain. Sometimes renovations aren't too fun when stuff like that happens, but he's getting it done. We're getting there. Just got to get rid of these rocks, level it out a bit, and then we're getting close for irrigation. Look at all those flipping rocks they pulled out of just here. Crazy. He's got heaps out. He's had to jackhammer some on the top just because there's just so many rocks. A couple of rocks even down the bottom there. He's pulled out all the soil and turned it over with the excavator. He's been going crazy. Poor bloke, I feel sorry for him. Look at this. Top of that rock just there. So he's been trying to jackhammer that one. But yeah, might just have to cover the dirt over top of it because it's just massive. I think you guys saw a photo of that. It was nearly like up to my shoulder height in height, so yeah, it is crazy big. But yeah, Josh has been going crazy. It's all moved around here, all the dirt. Turn the camera around. That stump got grinded down there. Grounded. What is it? Don't know. Whatever. And then this stump here as well got ground. I think that's the right word for it. And then, mate, he's been busy. So you could do this with a bobcat excavator, whatever you want. You could do the same thing, and then now it's just got to tidy it up. So he's got a bunker rake here, believe it or not, which we have those at work for the bunkers. But he's using that to level out the ground. So he started at the front here. It's already starting to look a little bit better. If you don't have something like that, you can just use a bobcat with a level bar on it. And if you can't get one, get a contractor in. Best thing to do. But if you are doing fixing up your levels like crazy, like this place, definitely get a machine to level it out. Don't do it by hand, or be doing it for months. Like it's crazy. Hey bro, no, come here. Come here. I just want to pet you. Come here, man. Is it the finger, bro? It is a bit freaky. Alright, so I'm back at Josh's place now. He's done heaps and heaps and heaps. He's moved a lot of soil around. As you guys can see, it looks a lot more level out the front just here. Let's just flip the camera around so you can see it properly. Right, so as you can see, it's looking so much tidier. There's still these massive rocks here though. Just there's a big rock. Pain in the bum. There's one more rock around here somewhere. I don't even know where it is, but he's going to jackhammer those bad boys and fix them up like that. So as you can also see, we've got topsoil here, some here as well. But, I mean, soil everywhere because the back is still pretty low. The front's not too bad. He's just going to put a little bit on top. But yeah, mate, this has been a fun project. Pulling out the roots, man. The dog licked you? Yeah. Oh no. So yeah, it's mostly just a clean up at the moment, cleaning up all the mad junk everywhere and leveling. That's about it. Fun. Right, so there's not really much more I can talk about today in this video. I'm just going to give you guys an update. Just a short video for this time, but just to give a recap, so Josh has pulled the rocks out with the excavator. Did I pronounce that right? Someone bagged me out on my last video. Excavator, not excavator. He's also pulled the rocks out, leveled it out a bit with the excavator, and then he's pulled all the grass out as well, which is what you need to do so your grass doesn't come back. Even if you kill it, because Cooch and Kikuyu, man, like it will come back if you leave it in there. It's crazy stuff. And then after that, he brought in the bunker rake from work, leveled it out with that, then raked all the stuff off the top, all the dead grass, raked it all the rocks, took it to the tip, and then now he's just leveling out this new topsoil that he's got. Mate, massive project. Thanks guys so much for watching. Keep an eye out for another video on this place because I'll be here probably tomorrow shooting more videos. But yeah, like this video if you enjoyed it, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and you have a good week.